Guys, for today's video, i-continue natin yung search natin sa contender ni GoTyme. O i-continue ko pala yung pag-share ko sa inyo ng paghahanap ko ng kapalit ni GoTyme. Pero sabi ko nga sa inyo, kahit pa paano nandyan pa yung pera ko, hindi ko pa inaalis kay GoTyme kasi hindi pa ako nakakahanap talaga ng bank na paglalagyan ko ng kaperahan namin. And still thinking kasi yung paglalagay natin sa time deposit, it's really a matter of a big decision kasi malalock in yung pera dun sa time deposit. So ito na nga, si Own Bank, na-discuss ko na yun sa inyo before about their savings, pero never ko pang na-discuss sa inyo ang Own Bank time deposit. So, ano ba ang meron dito sa Own Bank time deposit? And bakit sabi ng mga tao is okay na daw ang Own Bank, maganda na daw ang Own Bank? Well, mababago na kaya yung past experience ko with Own Bank at mapapalitan ng maayos at maganda based dito sa kung anong ino-offer nila? Kung ganyan din ang iniisip nyo, samahan nyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about entrepreneurship, small business, and personal finance na meron na akong experience at ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. So guys, first and foremost, kung this is your first time na marinig nyo ang Own Bank, meron na akong videos na yan, and nasa link na lang din sa baba. Check nyo yan muna para magkaroon kayo ng idea about Own Bank and sino ba si Own Bank. Okay. Just a brief explanation na lang din or summary. Si Own Bank ay isang rural bank, previously Rural Bank of Cavite, and it was purchased or rebranded as Own Bank under the group of company of Akulaku. Akulaku is an international company na nag-ooperate here in Southeast Asia. And then, si Own Bank ay nag-offer ng savings deposit and then time deposit. We have reviewed yung time deposit previously. Now, it's time for us to give time or review about their time deposit. Okay, so i-check muna natin kung ano ba ang sinasabi ni Own Bank about their time deposit sa kanilang website. Pag nagpunta tayo sa Own Bank website, ito makikita natin, click natin yung home. Ayan. So, make your money grow up to 8% interest. Ayan. So, sabi dito, instant opening, fee-free account, no initial deposit, yada-yada. Na-discuss naman natin yan. Pero wala pang information about time deposit. So, let's check. Okay, sa website nila, wala masyadong ads about product and service na ino-offer ni Own Bank. So, basically, yan lang yung makukuha natin. Dito sa under FAQ, meron na silang what is time deposit, how is the interest of the time deposit calculated, check natin yan. Ayan. So, basic naman. Yung basic na ginagawa na natin, parang ganito lang yan. Percentage times the principal amount divided by 365 days times number of days na nandun yung pera or the tenor, tapos kukunin nyo yung 80% para makuha nyo yung net interest. So, pretty much, parehas naman sa normal na calculation. Okay. So, napunta na lang tayo sa, sa app mismo ni Own Bank kasi wala naman tayong ganun ma-exact na information or ads sa kanilang website. So, punta tayo ng Own Bank. Own Bank yan. So, ito yung home screen mo ng Own Bank, and for you to check yung offerings nila about time deposit, so punta lang tayo dito sa parang line graph sa ilalim, sa halos tabi ng ng QR. Yan. So makikita natin dito yung total asset, and then yung parang distribution ng kaperahan mo. So meaning nandito yung flexible money mo o tinatawag niya na savings, and then stable money, long term, and insurance. So parang apat na products ang in-offer nila. So nandiyan na savings, time deposit, and then long-term money, long-term holding daw, and then insurance. So check natin yung stable money. Stable money, which is the time deposit. So ito yung mga offerings ng time deposit. Parang ang okay dito guys, nakita ko meron lang silang 15 days na time deposit. So pwede mong i-check lang kung okay ba yung service ni Own Bank by just getting the 15-day time deposit. And ito pa guys, parang okay to kasi tingnan mo, 6.30 ang kanilang interest rate sa time deposit na 15 days. Kung i-compare mo to sa savings nila na 6%, mas mataas kahit papano ng 30%. So, kahit papano, makakabawas ka sa tax. 'di ba? Versus sa flexible nila or yung savings na 6%. And then meron din silang 6.5% for 30 days. So mas mataas na 'yan. Kung 90 days naman, it's 6.80%. And kung 180 days, which is 6 months, 7%. 7%. I-compare natin 'yan with the 7% naman kay CIMB. Si CIMB ay may 7% sa 12 months na tenure ng time deposit mo, whereas si Own Bank naman ay may 7% sa loob ng 6 months lang. And then, yung pinakamataas nila is the 1 year, it would give you 7.5%. Yan. So, okay siya kasi mataas ang binibigay nilang interest. Just to be clear lang guys, insured ang pera natin with Own Bank up to 500,000 pesos since insured ang pera mo with PDIC. Okay, kung maglalagay ka naman ng mas mataas sa 500,000, then that's the time na talaga na kailangan mo mag-decide kung you'll put your faith here na kay Own Bank or mag-wait and see ka pa. Anong ibig sabihin doon? So since Own Bank came from a rural bank, so syempre yung asset and liabilities and equity are not that comparable with commercial banks. So ganun din naman nagsimula si SeaBank eh. Nung simula, maraming hesitation sa paggamit ng SeaBank. And then eventually, nag-gain ng maraming customers si SeaBank. And then parang nag-gain na ng popularity si SeaBank na dependable na si SeaBank. So, feeling ko si Own Bank is ganun din naman. At the start, syempre, kailangan niya kumuha ng maraming customer. And then, once na ma-experience ng mga customer yung magandang service ni Own Bank, then that's the time na titibay or gaganda ang branding ni Own Bank. So let's say we'll get a time deposit of 6.30 days for 15 days. Yan. Sabi dito, ayan, start from 500 pesos lang. So 'di ba? Not like other banks. Para nakita ko minimum na with other banks is 1,000 pesos. Ito naman, minimum ng 500 pesos for you to start a time deposit with Own Bank. Okay, start from 500 pesos and increasing by 100 and no upper limit. O diba? Isa sa kinagandahan nito, guys. Masasabi ko na no upper limit. Walang limit sa kung magkano ang ide-deposit mo. Okay, 'di ba si Maya, may limit siya na up to 1 million pesos per time deposit account. Si CIMB, up to 500,000 pesos per deposit account. And then interest accrues since the first day of your time deposit. So mula daw first day, magkakaroon ka na ng accrued interest or meaning naiipon na interest. Deposit 10,000 pesos and earn 21 pesos interest at maturity. So, dito may summary na siya. Pag 10,000 pesos daw ang nilagay mo dyan and natapos mo yung 15 days, mag-earn ka na ng 21 pesos. So, try natin deposit now, minimum na 500. And then, rollover option. Rollover option pag natapos yung 15 days. Walang ibang other option right now but to terminate. So, meaning, pagkatapos ng 15 days, tapos na yung time deposit and malilipat na to sa inyong savings account. And then, syempre, subject pa rin sa withholding tax na 20%. So, if you agree, ayan, check nyo lang yan and then open time deposit. Ayan, and then summary, then confirm. Tapos, here, dito na kayo maglalagay ng pera nyo. So, let's say, meron naman akong pera dito eh. Ayan, own it balance. Ayan. So, pwede naman dito. So, try ko na lang din. Ayan, magsasubmit na siya. Ayan, processing. Yan. So, basically, 500 pesos, mag-earn siya ng 1 peso and 05 cents in 15 days. Okay, hindi ko naman masyadong inaasahan to kasi maliit na amount lang. Pero, syempre, kapag malaking amount na yung nilagay mo doon and, syempre, percentage yan, malaki din naman ang makuha mo. Ito naman is for us to test lang din and for me to show you guys kung paano ba mag-open ng time deposit with Own Bank. So, balik tayo dito sa, nabawasan na ang savings ko, 101 na lang. Tapos, check natin dito, total asset ko. Ayan, kung makikita nyo yung graph, nagbago na. Yung flexible money ko is 101 na lang. And then, yung stable money ko is, ayun, so nabago na yung pie chart. Clinic natin yung stable money, makikita ko yung time deposit ko na 500. So, now the question is, sa mga time deposit, di ba? Meron bang charges sa early termination ng time deposit? Pwede mo namang i-withdraw yung pera mo dito sa time deposit mo with Own Bank. However, guys, yung interest rate na makuha mo ay sobrang biglang babagsak. So, from, kunyari yun, 6.5%. Kapag withdraw ko siya early, magiging 0.35%. Ganun na lang kababa. Tapos, apart from the lowering ng interest rate, mag-chargean ka rin ng documentary stamp tax na 1 peso and 50 cents for every 200 pesos na principal. Pero kung tatapusin mo naman yung maturity ng inyong time deposit, well, hindi kayo mag-charge ng documentary stamp tax. And only withholding tax na 20% ang makakalta sa net interest mo. Ayan. So now, na na-discuss na natin yung details ng own bank, yan. Well, what will be my conclusion? Well, for me, maganda siya. Maganda yung offering ni own bank talaga. Mataas ang interest rate, flexible yung time, kasi may 6 months, may 15 days for you to test out, and then mas mataas ang interest rate na in-offer nila for 1 year. So, talagang maganda to, lalo na kung meron kang malaking pera. However, guys, kailangan pa rin natin maging cautious kasi nga, hindi pa ganun kalaki si own bank compared to other rural banks na naging online banks na and then mga commercial banks. So, malayo pa dahil siyempre, commercial banks yun, malalaki talaga yung assets nila, yung kaperahan nila, and yung depositors nila. Si own bank naman ay hindi pa naman ganun din katagalan na mainstream. So, maganda kung maganda. Yung iba, subok na si own bank. Nababasa ko yun sa comment section, maganda si own bank. And I would agree na maganda naman talaga si own bank. And especially kapag yung deposit mo sa kanya ay less than 500,000. Kasi syempre, panatag ka na insured ang pera mo with own bank. But, if you have mas malaking pera, well, that's the time na you will be making one of your hardest decision. Kung saan mo ilalagay talaga yung pera mo. Which is, torn pa rin ako mag-bank with own bank for large amount of money. But for 500,000 pesos and below, well, why not, diba? Go for own bank. Yan, for our question of the day. Gusto kong malaman sa inyo kung ano ba ang criteria nyo sa pagpili ng bangko if you're going to place your money above the PDIC insured amount. Meaning mga 1 million pesos, 2 million, etc. etc. So yung basically hindi na covered ng insurance. Ano yung tinitingnan nyong factor to consider na yun ang magiging bangko? So let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayo manalo ng 1,000 pesos every week. And also huwag niyong kalimutan maglagay ng hashtag road to 75k subs and mag-like and subscribe dito sa aking channel for your chance naman na manalo ng isang cellphone once we reach the 75k milestone. Yun lamang po, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout muna tayo at shoutout kay Atrina Mira 6446. Sabi niya, thank you sa mga advice niyo, sir. Ina-apply ko, natutunan ko po sa mga videos niyo. Hashtag road to 75k subs. At Rina Mira 6446, shoutout sa iyo and thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Yun lamang po for today's video. I hope you can like this video. Leave a thumbs up and if not, wala namang problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!